Lists are the building blocks of SharePoint sites, and you'll find nearly all information is stored in some type of list. SharePoint offers predefined list types, such as project tasks, contacts, calendars, issue tracking, and other commonly used apps to enable collaboration. And as we'll see in another clip, custom lists can also be created to address more specific business needs. Lists on the surface often look very different, but no matter what type of list you create, they all share some common settings. Understanding these common elements can help you harness the power of lists on your own site. But first, we have to look behind the scenes. Here's a typical list. And on the list ribbon, you'll find List Settings, which show the controls and elements common to all SharePoint lists. For example, the list name, description, and navigation under General Settings allows you to rename the list and determine if it's displayed on the site's Quick Launch navigation. Scrolling down a bit, we see the Columns section. All lists store their information in columns, similar to columns and fields in databases and spreadsheets. Clicking a column name like %complete displays the settings for the column, including its title and type. Columns can be of different types, specialized for the type of data they contain. Since this column stores the %completion of a task, it's a number that has a maximum of 100 and is selected to be a percentage. Going back to the settings, we see there are many types of columns in this list, including those to hold people's names, dates, choices, and even calculated columns. Similar to formulas in Microsoft Excel, calculated columns, such as the completed column here, display information based on formulas that includes references to other columns. Down below the list of columns, there are actions used to add your own custom columns. As we'll see in other clips, this allows any SharePoint list to be customized to hold information. Also on the Settings page are Views, which display and filter items so your site visitors can quickly find what they're looking for. Here we see a comprehensive listing of all list views, including views that have a version optimized and enabled for mobile browsers. Clicking into a view's title will allow you to see and change the columns it displays and how information is filtered. Below the views is a link that allows you to create a new view from any of the display columns, or start from one of the existing out-of-the-box views. As you can see, lists are both flexible and powerful ways to gather and display information, and are one of the biggest advantages of using SharePoint.